Hello, this is a video about trimming the water tubing on the drive shaft for the HDE water cooling set. If you're having a problem with either of these pieces, whether it's the female side that hooks to the handpiece or the male side which goes down towards the motor, if you have a problem with this thing becoming loose and falling off, all you got to do is trim this black cable. After time it'll get worn out, kind of where this quick coupler attaches there. So to trim that, you can remove this. If it's not already removed, you can push in on the black plastic collar at the back there and it'll pop off. And at that point, you can take scissors or an X-Acto knife or whatever you have available and you can trim just really it just takes the slightest amount. You could take an 1/8 inch off there and just trim it off. And then it's just a matter of pushing this back on, and it shouldn't pull off. You should have to push in on that black plastic part in order for it to come off. So this one's good. And like you said, you can do that on either side. One thing to make sure of is if you have to do it too many times, eventually this will get too short and it won't be long enough to reach the handpiece, in which case it'll have to be sent in and we'll have to put a new black tubing in it and kind of rebuild the drive shaft. So you might want to make sure before you do it, try to see how much of this you have to work with, and if it's going to be close hooking to that handpiece, you want to take as little as possible off there. So, and if you have any questions, you can always call the tech center. The number here is 970-442-3601.